here. So they have ensured that everything is in place, and they have all the mandals that they should install CCTV cameras, and so the mandals have also installed CCTV cameras, bag scanners, everything that should make it correct. If we talk about traffic, definitely Lal Bagh is the prime area where the crowd comes the most. I'm standing at Lal Bagh Cha Raja over here. That means Lal Bagh's Raja. The Ganpati over here is mainly known for its Navas ka Ganpati, because Navas it means Mannat ka Ganpati. People come here and they ask for their wishes, and the wishes come true. God fulfills their wishes. So people throng over here in two lines. That is Navaska line. That is wish fulfillment line. Yes.
All right, Shyama, talking about the festivities, and we can already see large crowds of people gathering behind you to take a look at their beloved. You talked about that Lord Ganesh is treated as a kid in Mumbai. Now, what are the special treats that are made for Ladka?
Yeah, the special treats are like his favorite sweet is modak. So modak over the time it has evolved in many flavors like fruits, like chocolates. The traditional one is ukdita modak, that is boiled modak made up of rice and coconut inside. But as I said, it has evolved over the time, so people make it also at home, and people get different types of modaks over here in the market. It's become a huge trade over here. So also people come here with dhurva in their hand, with special flowers, even jungly flowers, even forest flowers. They come over here like Shevanti, Jaswanti. They come here and they offer their flowers to the Ganesha. Where I'm standing, people offer huge offerings to the Lord, like in big garlands, everything, garlands made of notes, rupees, everything. And because of that, this Lal Bagh Ka Raja is very famous over here. Also, if we talk about famous Ganpatis, Lal Bagh Ka Raja is famous. Just 2 steps besides Lal Bagh Ka Raja is Ganesh Gali. Also, Khetwadi Ka Raja, GSB is a 5-day Ganpati. People over here bring Ganpatis at their home. One Ganpati. Ganpatis are over here for 1.5 days, 5 days, 7 days, and so on. And people